Hello and welcome. My name is Jonathan McCullough here from UserBrain Tester Support. Here I'm going to share an easy setup tutorial on how to get started when you are testing with UserBrain. Once you have your UserBrain extension installed inside of your browser, it should show here up at the top, right there. I have it pinned. I highly recommend that you please pin the extension, as during your testing you will be referencing it multiple times as it provides the test tasks and it tells you what to do at every moment. For this specific video, I have been invited to a study, hence when I click on the browser extension, it will tell me that I've been invited to a study. I have my code, it's also provided here. I'm going to add in my name and my email address. This is important that you enter this as it helps be identified during your test. So here I will put my name, Jonathan, and I'll also place in here my email address. Then you'll click Accept Invitation. You will now be presented with some helpful tips to get started and get ready. Please remember to find a quiet place with no distractions, such as family members, a dog barking, or other noises that may distract from your video. Please remember to continuously speak your thoughts out loud, everything that you think about while viewing, what you read, etc. And also try to complete each task before moving on to the next one. Once you're done, click Next. Now we set up our microphone, so now we provide access to the browser extension to record our microphone. So here I have my microphone. It should be jumping the green bar if it's detecting audio. If it's not detecting audio, then just click this drop down menu and choose a different audio input that can be recorded. In this case, I am set with this microphone, so I'm going to click Next. Then in the next part, we're going to share our screen. So click Share Your Screen. You are also presented with helpful tips here on how to exactly do it. So click Share. Here is where you're going to be telling the extension what part of your screen you want to be shared and recorded. We please request that you click this entire screen tab. While you can choose just a window or just a Brave tab, we would highly request that you click entire screen. And then it's important to note that the share button is grayed out and it's not clickable. Don't be worried or alarmed by this. This is because while we are on the entire screen tab, we still need to select this screen right here. Once we click on it, the share button will change color and we're ready to begin. So if I click, share button changes color. Mine changes to orange because I have a darker color for my browser. Your share button might change to a color blue or to a different color. But the point is that the share button will become available and clickable. Once I click this share button, only then does my voice and my screen become ready to be recorded, and our browser extension will be recording those items. So go ahead and click Share. Now you're provided with more information on how to actually get started and open up the website that you will be testing. So we're going to come back here to our browser extension. We're going to click Open Site and Start Recording. Here you'll be brought to the website that you're being requested to test with. In this case, I have set up this test myself. It's with userbrain.com, our homepage. So now we come up here and you'll notice the browser extension is blinking the word task. This is where, like I mentioned earlier, you'll be able to find what you're supposed to be doing on this test. So click it, you're presented with a menu. Please remember to read out loud everything that is here inside the taskbar. Follow through with all of the questions and that is being asked, all the requests that are being asked of you. Follow through with them to the best of your ability, taking into account that along the way our customers do need to know and find out your experience with the website that you are testing. So what's on your mind? What do you like? What do you not like? What do you prefer? What do you not prefer? All of those things you can be mentally asking yourself, and that way you can communicate it via the microphone loud and clear so that our customers can get those valuable insights from you. Once you feel that you have successfully completed the steps presented inside of this task, you can click Next Step and it will take you to the next task. If at any point you need to go somewhere on the website, you can click away from the menu and it pops back down into the extension, and you can scroll, you can navigate, you can click around, and you can go wherever you need to and come back here to your browser extension for the tasks. If during the test you do need to pause, there is a menu button which lets you pause the recording for a short amount of time. Say you have an immediate emergency that you need to attend to for, say, 30 seconds before coming back. This pauses the recording so it's not added in. If at any point you do not feel comfortable moving forward with the test, you can use the discard test button. Using this button does not in any way affect your future testing. You will still be able to receive tests again in the future, and there's no bad mark left on your account. This may be the case if you do not feel comfortable with the website that you are testing with, and if that's the case, also please send us an email at tester@userbrain.com so that we can look into what's going on. By discarding the test, you are also stopping the recording, both audio and video, and also deleting this data from our servers and from your computer so that this does not come onto our servers and does not end up in the customer's account. To go back, click the back button, and some tasks will have multiple choice or single choice questions. So if there are, feel free to just answer them to the best of your ability. Of course, being honest in all regard. Next step. You will be sometimes asked, yes, I have completed the task. No, I could not complete the task. This is important too, just in case there are some things that you're not able to find or not able to do. And if you cannot complete a task, it's not the end of the world. Just be upfront and tell why you're not being able to complete the task. Are you lost somewhere on a website? Are you feeling confused? That information is just as important. It helps our customers understand what they can improve on their website. If you do complete the task, you can click yes. Rating scales also show like this, and you can select where you fall on the rating scale with regards to the question. And any text feedback for the customer that's requested can be entered in here, so feel free to add that in. Once you are done and you have finished all of the tasks, the last task will show a finish and upload test button. Click this, and your video with the audio will automatically be uploaded like so. In this case, the test was very short that I did, and it went very fast. Longer tests will take a bit longer. If you encounter any errors, please email tester@userbrain.com, and we will gladly get back to you with solutions. Once you are done, you can close the tab, and that is all. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.